Hey Shedheads, in this video we'll be running you through how to effectively use our online 3D designer, getting your dream shed to you faster. Let's dig in. If you don't have a set idea in mind, choose from our range of standard designs to get started or build it from the ground up, which is what we'll be doing today. First things first, let's get started with the overall dimensions. We have two options here. You can either use a dimensional handle like so, or manually enter in the specific measurements over on the left here. Now onto the roof type. We have a gable or a skillion roof design to choose from. I'm going with a gable roof today as I'm feeling like jazzing things up with a mezzanine and some solar panels. When it comes to the pitch, 10 degrees is the most common and 9 times out of 10, it is the most cost effective, but I'll be opting for a 20-degree pitch to tie in with the mezz and solar panels. Here you'll be able to personalise your shed to suit your aesthetics with a wide variety of colours to choose from. Let your creative juices flow here and have some fun. You have the choice to change the colour of your walls, doors, roof and windows. The world is your oyster. Sheeting profiles. You have the option to choose between corrugated or monoclad. Both are listed at the base metal thickness, ensuring sturdy cladding. Now let's have a quick look at the edit button. This is where you can get specific with the bay sizes. There are many reasons to opt for custom bay sizes, such as roller door clearances for large equipment, such as tractors and implements, or adding that window into your ideal location. Time to get stuck into the fun stuff now, kicking it off with adding a garaport. This is an easy one, just decide whether you want it at the front or the rear of the shed. A little tip to keep in mind here, make sure you're including your garaport dimensions in the overall length when first entering the specs. Moving on to lean-tos. Lean-tos are also a very popular addition. Simply select the lean-to icon at the bottom of your sidewall. If you're wanting something a little smaller, hit the individual bay tab and remove the overkill. You can also adjust the height, width and pitch to suit. Giving this nice looking shoebox some personality, let's add some openings. One thing that I love about the 3D designer is that it indicates whether a roller door will fit within the nominated bay, allowing you to make any adjustments right from the get-go. If you're thinking about adding your own fancy barn doors or double glazed windows, that's fine too. Just select the framing only option and input the dimensions. This is something that you will need to source yourself. If you're wanting to let a little fresh air in, click on the open bay tool. This will remove both the cladding and the framework from the nominated bay. This sort of thing is ideal for machinery or hay sheds. Plan ahead and get the biggest bang for your buck by putting the roof space to work for you. A mezzanine for storage or even a snazzy little winter loft will certainly achieve this. When adding a mezzanine, take into consideration the clearance you'll need both below and above, and make sure that you're cross-referencing this with your wall height. The height measurements listed is from the top of the slab to underside of the joists above the girder. Dress up time. Let's add some props and solar to bring this shed to life. Props are great for providing you with a bit of a visual on what the end result may look like. Adding the solar panels to your design is also a handy prompt for our sales team so that they can account for any additional roof loading. Once you're finished building your shed, scroll or fly in to make sure that your bays and openings are looking all tickety-boo ahead of submitting your design. Last but not least, utilise the overhead bird's eye view to ensure your dimensions are all correct. We always like to measure twice and cut once. Visit our website and try it out for yourself. Happy designing!